how do we hem accordion pleats? Accordion pleats are 3D pleating. When we fold it inside as to hem it, the press, the crease mark, the folds, they go the opposite way of the actual garment. And so it would be really difficult to repress that. Therefore, we will not fold it inside. We will cut off the extras instead. Mark up the desired hem amount, the full amount that you would like to hem away. Bring it to a serger and serge right along that mark. The serger's knife will cut off the extra fabric, and the thread of the serger will finish off the fabric that remains. The bottom of the garment will now remain a serged edge, similar to a rolled hem of a serger. It just does not need the thread so close together the way a rolled hem often would have it. Leave the serge as the bottom of the garment. Bring the thread color to match the garment, since this will remain the bottom. Do not fold it up. Your garment is completed.